Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw and paint the baby elephants. Let's go together. I'm going to color the baby elephant with grey. Now color the face of the elephant with grey. Baby elephant have big ear. Now color his ear with pink. The baby elephant looks so amazing. I took the black marker to enhance the beautiful baby elephant. Very good. If you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.